That was a startup of a 1989 Carrier Tech 2000. This thing has a Copeland reciprocating compressor in it. That sounds awesome. Three-phase. This thing is three-phase. If I can get it.
1989 4-ton, three-phase. That is ice cold. Wait, that is.
Yeah, three-phase, 4-ton, 1989. Ice cold. It's always fun. It's pretty funny. We have 4 Tech 2000s over here. We have all of them are from '89, right?
Those two are from 90.
These two are from '90. This is another '89, I assume.
Yes.
Yeah, the small ones are 89.
These two are 5 tons and the small ones are 4.
Yeah, these two are 5 tons. These ones you never really see running for some reason. Every time someone has filmed at this place,
I think the building's empty.
possibly. But yeah, though these 3 units haven't really been seen running. Though that one has showed signs of running today because the line shows signs of it sweating.
Maybe.
Possibly.
Oh.
I was about to say click. But yeah, that thing's running good. All right, we're gonna try for a shutdown now. Was a startup shutdown of a 1989 Tech 2000.